red, red. Green, green. Yellow, yellow. हेलो बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे A for apple यानी कि ABCD ABCD। A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for god, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for peacock, Q for queen, R for rat, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra। थैंक यू बच्चों, बाय बाय।